It's like I can't walk on the ceiling.
Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Luvme once again. So this is the packaging. They've upgraded their box to a longer design, which I find to be very nice and sleek. It's the same color and everything. This is the wig that we're working with, but let's get into what else I got in the box. I got some lace tapes. I also got a Luvme branded elastic headband, some more lace tapes. I got that tag there, a pack of HD wig caps, a tag that you can use to label your wigs, and then there's this storage bag, which I think is great to put your wig in after you cleanse it or wear it. Now this is today's gorgeous wig. This is their NatureMAX silky blunt cut bob. It's a glueless ear-to-ear 13x4 lace front wig. It's pre-cut and it's pre-bleached. This is the inside of it. It's a flexi fit drawstring cap construction. It has comb in there for more security. They're also removable, which I love because I know a lot of people sometimes don't like combs in their wigs, so you have the option to remove it if you want, but they do add extra security, which is really good, especially for my beginners. And I love that there's a drawstring. I don't know, I've become so obsessed with wigs that have drawstring in the back. For some reason, they make the whole security of your wig cap way better. Like, it's literally not gonna slip or slide or shift in the least with a drawstring in the back. Okay, the lace front itself, the hairline is immaculate. I went ahead and I added that extra elastic band that I got in the pack, or the package rather, and it is branded. I slipped the wig on and this is how it's looking right off the bat. So I was just aligning that with my hairline to ensure that it fits and feels as comfortable as possible. And I absolutely love the feeling of it. It feels really lightweight, so that is amazing. And yeah, so as you can see there, it is glueless, but at the ear portion, if you don't like secure it down with your lace tape or some melting spray, it will lift. So we don't want that. So further on, you'll see where I use some melting spray. You have the option to also use the lace tape to keep it in place. So I went in with my PS-Lux lace line melting spray right here, and that's what kept this in place. It melts your lace down so good.
Feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all.
I then went to the portion where I had to adjust the drawstring in the back. It's very straightforward, guys. Literally, as you can see me doing, I'm just pulling the string and adjusting the knobs to where I want it to be, how tight or loose, and then I tuck away the excess beneath the cap. Every and anybody can do this, guys. No training needed. As you can see, I'm shaking my head from side to side so you see how secure it is. And then I went on in with some wax stick, to get the topper really nice and laid. That's my PS-Lux lace line wax stick, and you know, just to make sure that everything looks super flat. You guys know, when it comes down to my wigs, I like when everything looks very flat and realistic. And the lace line, it's very melted. It looks very melted. Like, look at that. So they did a great job with that. The construction overall is just beautiful. 10 out of 10 would highly recommend. And as I said, this is very lightweight. You know, the holidays are coming up. I feel like this wig would make a great gift. So yeah, I'm just gonna, you know, keep on going through that with my hot comb at the top. And also, you can feel free to go ahead and part this wig throughout the front, the lace front, because it does have a nice amount of space to work with. So if you want to switch the parting up, feel free to go ahead and do so, because it's really convenient for that.
Feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby. Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours.
That's pretty much it after I flat ironed the entire wig. Very sleek and flowy, so beautiful. I love this. It's super realistic. I love the way it fits. It's very comfy on my head. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Barely any shedding. As you guys can see, the lace front is very undetectable. Love me, you did your thing. As I said, the link is down below in the description box, so if you want to buy this for yourself or somebody else, that's where you can find it. If there are any deals, any discount code, that will be listed. But that's it for today's wig look. If you liked it, go ahead and give this video a thumb up. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.